Hello Triton, I heard you were having trouble with your wife and family.
Yes, I am. And as it happens, we are getting a divorce. But there's one thing that's not for me and our kids. She will not let me see the kids ever again.
Well, I see that's a problem to social life and business as you know it, and I know this. I have my own divorcement and will not be able to see them, but I made a marriage with another man and found myself with different kids, and I am happy with that.
Yes, I see you're happy, but I am not. I need the same kids I was with for 5 years now. And my wife is taking the 5 years away and throwing them in the garbage due to our divorce.
I see why you say it is difficult and that you need the kids, because it is very hard to depart from Mika there, but I really think, sir, if I may, that you should let them go.
I see. If I do agree with you, I will only get a wife with kids. Like my own. But if I do not agree with you, I will apologize to my wife and tell her she was right and I was wrong.
I see very well in your eyes, so I suggest you agree with me and get a new wife with kids like your own.
And I do agree. I will get a wife with kids that are very like my own and will teach them to be like my own and try thinking of them as my same kids.
Great. I hope you find a better wife and the same kids you have been with for the past 5 years. I wish you luck and gratitude. Good luck.